Welcome to Lumea. Test your skin. Now that your skin is prepared, it's important that you test it 24 hours before you do your first Lumea treatment. You must perform another skin test if you plan on treating a new body area you haven't flashed on before, or after exposing your skin to sunlight unprotected. Note that you should not start or resume using Lumea within 4 weeks after exposing your skin to sunlight unprotected, or within 2 weeks after artificial tanning. Why is it important to perform a skin test? You need to find the highest comfortable setting that doesn't result in any skin reactions after 24 hours. This is the setting you will be using in your next treatments. What is a skin test? It's trying out different light intensity settings to find the highest, most comfortable one for you and seeing how your skin reacts. Choose the right attachment depending on the body area you want to test. To start the test, plug in the device and press the power button. You will notice the light intensity settings above the power button light up continuously from left to right and back. Place the Lumea flush against your skin. One of the light intensity indicators will turn white to suggest the setting for you. This setting is selected automatically after 5 seconds. In case the ready-to-flash light is orange, your skin may be too dark to treat with Lumea. For more information, refer to the troubleshooting section in your Lumea user manual. Now that you have selected the light intensity setting, place the device flush against your skin until the ready-to-flash light lights up white. Press the flash button to release a flash. If the flash was uncomfortable, lower the light intensity setting on the device. If the flash was comfortable, you may increase the light intensity setting. You can toggle through the light intensity settings by pressing the power button briefly. Setting 1 is the lowest light intensity setting, and setting 5 is the highest. With your newly selected setting, do another test flash on an adjacent spot. Evaluate whether the flash was comfortable and adjust the light intensity setting accordingly. Note that you only need to flash one time when testing a light intensity setting. Once you found your highest comfortable setting, hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off the device. Unplug the device from the power outlet and let it cool down. Wait for 24 hours and check your skin for reactions. For more information, consult the next instructional video.